Hello everyone, I hope you are doing so good. This is Mustafa Saadi, a technical consultant, and I have more than 10 years of experience in developing web applications and mobile games and web applications. Today we will talk about how can we install Android applications or even Android games on Windows 10 or even Windows 11. This can be done simply using the Android emulator. There are too many types of Android emulator, but we will use the most common emulator in the world now. It's called BlueStacks. To download BlueStacks and install it to install our Android applications or games on it, we can do this by open Google and type BlueStacks, then hitting enter. It will open the BlueStack website. Simply you can type bluestacks.com in the address bar in your browser. It will open this website. Simply you can open or press to this button. It will starting the download on your PC. I prefer to locate it on your desktop. After we downloading this file, we will double click on it to open it. The setup will start simply. Now we can customize installation to change this folder of installation for BlueStacks if we are needing this. Then we will hit install now. It will download some files from the internet, so make sure that your internet connection is good. We will go now and we will get again after it downloads the files. After it finishes the first download, it will start again with a bigger download around 500 megabytes. We will wait till it downloads and install the full applications of BlueStacks, and we will get back again to you. After it finished downloading the 500 megabytes, it will start again downloading around 100 megabytes again. Let's go and get back to you after this download also finish. After it finished the download of the last 100 megabytes, it will prompt this pop-up. It will run this check for your system requirements. Then it will go to the extracting files process. We will wait till it finish all of these. Now installing engine. There is a hint, if you can see it, tells you to pause your PC antivirus if it is interfering the installation. Now it's finishing post installation steps. I think it will finish all of this installation process right now. So let's wait. It finished the installation process. I think now our emulator is bootstrapping. Here we can find the emulator. You can now install any type of game or application on this emulator. There are too many applications and games. You can install it from here. To install any type of game, you should type the name of it here. Let's try with pubg. If you didn't find, we are finding the pubg here, you can install it on the app layer and simply playing this game simply on this emulator, and you can even customize the buttons or the mapping of your mouse and keyboard to simply play the PUBG on this emulator. If you didn't found the game or the application you want to install it, simply you can go, let's close this window, you can go to the home, then you will find the Play Store like you have it on your phone. Let's try to type Mogul, the the application for playing PC games on your mobile. We won't find it, so we can now easily open the app layer. You can open the app layer here, from here. Simply it will prompt this application. It will telling you that it needs the permission to use the hyper visualization feature on your processor, and this will lead to must have restart. So let's grant it and restart, and we will go get back to you again. After restarting our computer, we will try to open the BlueStacks again. It will bootstrap the emulator. Then we will hit the app layer again and wait till it opens. Now we can minimize this window and wait the app layer to bootstrap or load. I think it will take more time for the first time it opens, but I think after the first time it will load a little fast. Starting BlueStacks. This toolbar is really helpful. You can do much customization using it. Now it tells us that to connect our charger, we will neglect this. Simply from here, you can really open Android application on this virtual machine or Android emulator. We will open the Play Store. Simply it will open the Google Play, which we must sign in. I will sign in with my email and get back to you. Now after I have signed in with my Google account on Google Play, you can really find all of your applications and games on Google Play. You can install any type of application like Facebook or Instagram or even WhatsApp. Let's try to install any type of application or game. Let's download our 3 match game. We will type Saadi.com. Then we will go to any type of application like this application. We can install the unknown application simply. Install it. Now we can install any other application or a game from our games and applications. Let's try to install a small game like Crazy Fruits farm and watch. It's downloading. Another application is downloading right now. We will wait to show you that everything is working well. You can even install TikTok, any type of applications or games, you can install it directly from this app player emulator. Now, another application is installed successfully. Let's try to open it. It will open simply and you can find that everything is working well. As you can see, the application is working well. Okay, this is very cool. We can hit the back button here. Then we will check the game we have installed, the Crazy Fruits Farm game. Let's check if it is installed. It's installing right now. It's our free 3-match game. I advise you to try it. It's super simple. Can be installed on any type of Android phone. It's installed right now. We can play it, trying to play it. It's designed to be on the portrait mode. You can now. It's super simply working. Everything will work with you if you have this. This is working. That's cool. I hope you are getting the information simply and you got what you need from this video. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel to get all of our new videos. Till I see you again, stay safe. Thank you.